Very good afternoon. It's a proud moment to have the last session of the 5 days faculty development program. Being well is doing well. The last program, every year we do organize some programs through NSS. Last year we organized a program for all the faculties, life skill training program. It was also a 5 days wonderful program. Similarly, this year also we have organized a program called as Being Well is Doing Well. It all went well, all the 4 days. The 5th day we are concluding today. On behalf of the management, the principal, the heads of the institution, all my dear faculties, I on this occasion welcome our resource person of today, Dr. Shashikant, on the dais please. I request our Dr. Ramesh sir to welcome him to the post button.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks. Thanks.
Happy Kannada Rajyotsava.
Happy Kannada.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I request our head of chemistry department, Dr. Venkatashmi madam, to welcome our guest today, Dr. Priya Sharma. I request our head of department of mechanical engineering, Dr. Nitin Swami sir, to welcome our head of department of civil engineering, Dr. A. Shashishankar, on the dais please. For the rose button. I request head of department of electronics and communication, Dr. Jagdish sir, to welcome our Dr. C. Ramesh sir and dais please. Sir, you dash pani sir.
Paragla.
Yes. Come in.
Honors to sit amongst us.
I request our Nakappa sir to welcome our head of department of electronics with the rose button please. I request Dr. Ramanan sir to welcome our head of department of mechanical engineering, Dr. Nitin Swami sir, with the rose button. Sir, in the manner I do in the sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Muka.
Sir, sir, reversal ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್? reversal ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. I request Dr. Arna madam to welcome head of department of chemistry, Dr. Venkatashmi madam, with the rose button. I request Dr. Usha Madam to welcome our Physics HOD, Dr. Mini Madam. I request Dr. Banneraghatta Madam to please welcome our the great personality Dr. Amudan sir. Because he is daily coming. Please. Sir. We continue. Sir, please come. Now I request Banneraghatta Madam to please welcome our mechatronics head to the hospital. Thank you, Professor. Thank you for coming on this day. Thank you, Dr. Amudan sir. We'll finish it. We'll start the program very quickly. Meantime, I request all the faculties please come on the dais for a photo. We will facilitate the research person today.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಒಂದು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ First floor.
Please come.
Sir, please. Thank you, sir. Bye. ನಾನು ಟೋಪಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ
ಇರೋದೇ ಟೋಪಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಟೋಪಿ
ನೀವು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು
ಸರ್
ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್
ಫೋಟೋ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾನು ಫೋಟೋ Come, madam. Madam, you come front, madam. You are not at all visible.
Thank you.
Sir, sir, please come.
Plate on.
Made me comfort to wear this. Thank you. Thanks for the compliment.
I request all
You all good.
my faculty members to honor our Dr. Priya Sharma, please.